In today's video, we would like to personally extend an invitation to you to come visit us at the upcoming VIFA ASEAN International Furniture Fair. The fair will be held from the 29th of August to the 1st of September of 2023 at the SECC Exhibition Center, District 7 in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Credits to the organizers for organizing this fair within this time period, as there are other large-scale fairs happening in Southeast Asia, for example, the CIFF fair in China. We recently also participated in the other edition of VIFA earlier this year in March, and because of the success that we received and got, we have now decided to yet again join the second edition of this year in August. This time around, we reserved a 162 square meter booth located in the main A2 hall of the SECC complex, booth AA19, AA20, and AA21. Upon brainstorming within our team and designers, we have now identified and planned to showcase a range of products that are versatile amongst most categories and segments. This will in theory allow us to cater and supply to most buyers revolving around different market categories. The collections we'll be rolling out for this fair will include ranges starting from mass market pieces up to medium plus. What this means is that both material choice and design culture is spread out from acacia and more well-known designs for mass market to oak with more trendy and unique to market styles, all the way to walnut timber for our premium plus items. Again, in turn, this will help open more doors and business opportunities with more clients and buyers in a wide range of segments. Once more, appreciate your time for staying with us and for watching our invitation video, and come meet us at the VIFA fair. If you'd like to have a sneak peek as to the collections we'll be showcasing at the fair, and if possible, lock in those beforehand, feel free to drop me an email listed in the description below, and let's get in touch.